Hi guys, so I actually went ahead and did my eyebrows, and yeah, this is it. I like them a little bit dark, so I want to show you guys something. One thing that I do when I want to achieve a flawless look. So now the first thing I do is I use my setting spray. Any setting spray that you like, I just use it all over my face. Generously. And now I'm going to try and let it settle down. Just let it settle in there. So now it has settled, it has fully settled. And this is what I do, guys. This is where I say you need to keep on trusting the process. So I take a little and dab it on my hand, and then I just use dots. So after you do this, one option is to spray the setting spray on your face or spray it on your brush. So you can do any that you like or just do both. But if you choose to do both, it has to be very little, not like all the way. And then now you just blend it. Just keep on trying to blend it so that it can dry together with the foundation. Let me tell you guys, I have very oily skin, very oily skin. I don't think you people understand. I have extremely oily skin, and ever since I discovered this hack, damn, just dab it. And you're not supposed to take, like, supposed to be dabbing. Dab. Try and look at the areas that you feel that don't have enough and keep on dabbing on those areas. Yep. Don't forget your neck, guys. So once you get here, you use the setting spray again. I know, but you just have to use very little this time around. Like, yeah, I think that's okay, just like that. And then you need to dab. You need to blend it really well. Let me tell you guys, initially I used to use the same brush. So I'd realized that I can't see any change, I can't see any difference, Then I learned that it's because I'm using the same brush, that's why I can't see the difference. So now we are going to go in with the Beauty Blender. Just keep on blending. And just, if you do like this, okay. Keep on blending. The secret is to blend. Like, if you're in doubt, blend it. Keep on blending. 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 And like I said, I am not a professional makeup artist. These are just some hacks that work so well for me, and I decided, why not share with you guys? So, yep.
I'm diving in the deep blue. Are you looking for you tonight?
So now I am back, and we are going to go in with this. Just a little. Where you want it to be a little dark, that's where you're going to put this.
Cause you always make me cry, yeah. I'm diving in the deep blue. Are you looking for you? Cause you're the one I want. Yeah, you're the one I love. fighting just drives me crazy. But you know I'll do anything for you, baby. Cause you're the one I want. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for signs tonight. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for signs all night. I just wanna see you strike eyes. You are everything I need, love. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for signs. Cause you're the one I want. Yeah, you're the one I love. All this fussing and fighting just drives me crazy. But you know I'll do anything for you, baby. Cause you're the one I want.
I am not such a big fan of baking, so instead of baking, I'm just going to mini bake, if that is making any sense. I'm not going to like completely bake. Okay, so I believe that a little goes a very long way, so I'm gonna take very little and try to bake like very little, baking without baking. So I'm just going to grab it over there and keep on flaming, because I'm not trying to bake. I'm baking, but I'm not baking. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna bake, but not baking. Okay. So I don't put a lot. So this is what I usually do. Okay, I do this and then I remove all the excess. I take it all out. All the excess, I take it all out like this. So it remains very little. But I use just to make sure that I have bright under eyes.
I'm diving in the deep blue. I am looking for you tonight. I'm diving in the deep blue. I am looking for you, my love. I don't like it when we're fighting, cause you always make me cry, yeah. I'm diving in the deep blue. I am looking for you, cause you're the one I want. Yeah, you're the one I love. All this fussing and fighting just drives me crazy. But you know I'll do anything for you, baby. Cause you're the one I want. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for signs.
Guys, I went off camera and did my waterline because I like my waterline really dark, and I'm gonna be looking like trying to make my waterline. And so yeah, this is basically almost how it's supposed to look like. I just realized that I didn't carry my bronzer, so now I need to try and get as much as possible from my bronzer brush. So yeah, this is it, guys. I really like when my cheeks are a bit reddish and popping. So yeah. So tell me what you think, guys. I'm gonna put on my lipstick and then I'm going to show you guys. Hold on. So guys, this is how it looks at the end of the day. You are going to stay like this throughout the day. Nothing cakey, nothing. And yeah, I forgot to carry my bronzer. I think I told you guys before. And if I would have used my bronzer, damn. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. So this is how it looks at the end of the day, and nothing cakey, nothing. So you're going to stay like this throughout the day.